The 5 reasons why the Pakistani J-10C shot down the Indian Rafale. The last one is genius. Number 5. PL-15 missiles. The J-10C carries China's PL-15 missile with a range of over 200 kilometers, far beyond the Rafale's Mika. Combined with its ESA radar, the J-10C fired before the Rafale even knew it was in danger. In a sky ruled by range, the first missile wins, and the Rafale never stood a chance. Number 4. Networked radar advantage. Pakistan's J-10Cs were linked to a wider radar and electronic warfare network. While Rafales lacked full AWACS support, the J-10C received real-time targeting data, seeing the Rafale first and striking smart. It wasn't just one jet versus another. It was one jet backed by a full digital army. Number 3. Electronic warfare edge. Equipped with powerful jammers and ECM, the J-10C disrupted the Rafale's radar and communications mid-air. That gave it a clean firing window. The Rafale was blinded before it could respond. The Rafale flew in blind, and by the time it realized, the missile was already on its way. Number 2. Speed and stealth combo. The J-10C's sleeker frame, DSI intakes, and stealth coatings reduced its radar visibility. It also had faster acceleration in intercept mode, letting Pakistani pilots box in the Rafale before it could maneuver. Speed closed the gap. Stealth kept it hidden. The Rafale was trapped before it could blink. Before revealing number 1, like and subscribe. Number 1. Planned ambush. Pakistan expected Indian retaliation. Its jets waited inside a pre-marked kill zone and launched PL-15s as soon as the Rafale crossed in. It wasn't just a dogfight, it was a trap, and it worked. This wasn't luck or chance, it was strategy, precision, and perfect execution.